Good morning, students of physical science energy. I'm recording this video today of your introduction and overview of assignments for week 7 in the energy course. I'm going to share my screen with you and we'll get started. So here's your Google Classroom for physical science energy. You would have found this video in here in 7A, introduction and overview of assignments. Let's take a look at this assignment sheet together. The essential question for this week is, what are the relationships between forces and motion according to Newton's laws of motion? So we're going to be learning all about Newton's laws. You have two short Edpuzzles this week. The first one is Edpuzzle 7-1 on Newton's laws. It's 5 minutes long. I think it has 10 questions with it, so I'm giving you 10 points for doing that. 7-2 Edpuzzle on net force. I'm also giving you 10 points for doing that one, and it's 7 minutes long. So giving you a chance to recuperate some points here with those two short assignments. There's a reading. I posted the online textbook reading, the sections where you can find this information. I've also posted a practice quiz on Kahoot for you this week. This is a graded assignment. I need to update this. That shows the green check mark. But anyways, it's a graded assignment. It is 5 points to do the practice Kahoot before you take the quiz. In order to get those 5 points, you need to provide your Kahoot generated nickname in the private comments of that assignment. I also wanted to point out to you all that we do have a quiz this week, quiz 6, Forces and Newton's Laws. It's 30 multiple choice questions. And you only get one chance to take the quiz. So before you do the quiz, make sure you're doing the Kahoot practice first, okay? There are 2 optional labs this week. These are both labs that I've done in the classroom before, and they're great labs to help extend your understanding of forces and Newton's laws of motion. So I strongly suggest you do these 2 labs, but once again, they are optional, they're ungraded. I will not be grading them for this term. Okay. So let's take a look at each of these assignments individually. Here is what the Edpuzzle Newton's Laws of Motion looks like. It is on Edpuzzle. If you're having trouble accessing any of the Edpuzzles, you need to provide your reason in the private comments, and I will send you the link to the YouTube video. Here is the Edpuzzle on net force. Do that one. Our Kahoot is right here. You click on the link, and then it will ask you to generate a nickname. Has this kid with the light bulb on his head. So you're gonna spin here to create your nickname. Mine is Prairie Wombat. So in the comments of my assignment before I turn it in, I would write in Prairie Wombat. So I would get the credit for that. Okay, here is the actual quiz. This is a graded quiz. Like I said, you only get one chance to do the quiz. It's 30 multiple choice question, and it will close Friday at 3 p.m. So if you try and take it after Friday at 3 p.m., it will not be open and you will not be able to. Make sure you do this before next Friday at 3 p.m. Here is what the quiz looks like. It has this hot air balloon picture as the image here, and here are your questions, okay? So that's quiz 6, Forces and Newton's Laws. The 2 optional labs are on here too. You'll see that I've included the link and then the worksheet to go with the lab. If you want to mark these as done and turn them in just to get them off your to-do list, that's fine. If you could tell me if you want me to score these or not, just let me know in the private comments or something, that would work, okay? And then same thing, Gizmos link and worksheet if you'd like to do Gizmos, forces, and fan carts. That's a pretty cool lab too. All right, like I said, it's week 7. I hope you all are doing well. If you need help, please come to Zoom office hours. Since it's Memorial Day, we're going to have different Zoom office hours. I will only be available Tuesday through Thursday next week on Zoom from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Otherwise, please email me if you have any questions, and hope you have a great day. Go Science!